index of gold. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, money, 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 money. Money, money, money. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one. DBL Nick's in the house with another episode of the groundbreaking, earth-shattering, rocket ship blasting show, Power Play, where we go over the stocks for Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time by sharing with the Banger Nation community on live stream the market mover scanners from the private Discord, Banger Nation private Discord, and of course all the search features, news features, short interest features, policy features, you name it, features that are also in the Banger Nation Discord, so we can decide whether or not the stock is going to have gasoline to run in Power Hour. And then over here on the upper right corner, we go ahead and look at some indicators and do a little technical analysis. I like to call it a little TNA among friends. Why not? Why not have a little TNA among friends? Hey, it ain't no problem. Is it, Doubles? No, it's not. It's not. A little TNA, and then of course, while we let these stocks simmer on high heat, because of course it's a slow time of the day, we're gonna go ahead with this young lady right here and get a victory royale for the community in Fortnite, yes sir, or as we lovingly like to call it, getting a dub for the community, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go right into ticker symbol AGRZ. AGRZ. Oh, how come I don't see him, bro? I don't see the message. Howdy, Bobo. Ah, it's love bubble time. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You see, I gotta like switch because it's not. See, like I don't see it. You gotta keep an eye for me because I gotta put it over here. You know what I'm saying, bro? You gotta like keep an eyeball for me so I could talk to Bobo Beeb. We got Bobo money, Bobo money, Bobo money. I hope you made a lot of money today. Let's go. And today's the big day, bro. Today is the big day. We got the FOMC going on today, soon, in about a half hour, bro. I think they're going to have it, right? I don't think they're going to change the interest rates. I don't think so, bro. But the issue is going to be the new Fed chairman, Warsh. I can't even pronounce his name, bro. Warsh is supposed to speak. So will he be a dove or will he be a falcon, bro? That's the question. Will he be a dove or a falcon, bro? That's what I'm concerned about. The old falcon. We don't want the falcon. We want that dove, man. In fact, yo, check it out. Wash. I even use Dove to wash myself with that Dove soap. So come on now, be gentle on my skin. Come on now, I tell you. Come on, so we'll keep an eye on that, Doubles. You know what I'm saying? Doubles, we're going to keep an eye on that. All right, let's take a look at ticker symbol AGRZ. It's got earnings coming in about a little less than 2 weeks. It will move pretty aggressively. First thing we're going to do is go to the custom scanners, and we see it's a 13 million float stock. I could get away with that because the stock is only trading around 35 cents, and more importantly, it had 106 million shares of volume, so your rotation of volume to float was very high. Why is that important? It's important because the volume is the demand for the stock. 13 million float is the supply of the stock, so you want a higher multiplier. The higher the multiplier of volume to float, the more likely the stock is going to go parabolic, and this stock did in fact go parabolic, but right now it's only up about 50% after it double topped, and we don't like double tops, Doubles, do we? No, we want the double bottoms because a double top is a bear reversal pattern, and that's exactly what happened. The stock price went baja, bro, baja, you know. They went downtown. They went downtown, and we don't like downtown. And right now, it looks more or less like it's trying to consolidate below the VWAP, but you could see that the price action is even underneath the 9, and it looks like it's continuing to push downward. RSI is continuing to push downward. These are all bearish signals, and of course, since it's way early for Power Hour and way late for the early trading, there's a lack of volume as well. So we're going to be looking to see if the volume starts to pick up, and if we get a curl, baby curl, and if we get a curl, baby curl, or if the pencil activated, the challenging area would be the volume weighted average at 48 cents. So that's the key resistance area for ticker symbol AGRZ is 48 cents. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 100. And let's get into the next stock. I'm getting excited, bro, because we got a new stock on the scanner. We got G-Wave. Oh, G-Wave is in the house. Green Wave Technologies. Now, this stock has had a history of running up and coming down, but it has run up in the past. So right now we're looking at it, and it released Q1 earnings today during market hours. That's what's going to happen. They were released. They were released today. That was what the catalyst is for this particular ticker symbol. And if we get the graffiti pencil activated, we can see that the RSI is pushed towards the overbought area. It is in the area of overbought, which suggests that it could be reversing downward, and that looks like exactly what's going on. Right now, the 9 EMA is below the VWAP. We generally want the 9 EMA above the VWAP. In fact, the VWAP has gapped above the 9 EMA. This is not what we usually see. We usually see a gap of the 9 EMA above the VWAP, suggesting that a reversal would be in place. But if you got a situation where the VWAP is above the 9 EMA, well, that can be kind of interesting, can it now? And it looks like the price action is reversing and pulling down. Let's go to the custom scanners from the private Discord community, and we can see that this is a low floater stock. The float doubles is 807,000 shares. 807,000 shares. Casey on YouTube wants us to check out G-Wave. That's what we're doing right now. G-Wave right now. And we can see that G-Wave is an 807,000 share stock. Now this stock, like I said, it has a hard time holding up. It can run really aggressively, and then it has a hard time holding up. It doesn't have a heck of a lot of volume at 2 million. 2 million, it's under a 3x volume to float ratio. I want to see more volume come in. You could see that there's a lack of volume with these candles, and then all of a sudden there's the surge and a reversal. It needs to stabilize. I want to see that 9 EMA get above the VWAP. The volume weighted average is 395, so for argument's sake, it needs to break the $4 psychological level. The $4 psychological level. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see if any volume comes into it, but right now it looks like it's retracting. Casey, I hope you make a lot of Casey money. In fact, I hope you make cases of Casey money. How about that? Money, money, money. And bricks, and bricks, and bricks, and bricks, and bricks. And more bricks. Why not? Why not? All right, let's go take a look at ticker symbol. Which one have we not looked at? We have not looked at NCRA. Let's take a look at NCRA. It had news earlier in the morning, and it ran quite aggressively earlier in the morning. NCRA Inc. It is a Taiwanese stock from Taiwan. Well, yeah, it would be Taiwanese if it's from Taiwan, wouldn't it, Doubles? Yes. It would be, wouldn't it? It would, right? Yeah. It's a Taiwanese stock. Those average shares are trading higher after the company announced it's acquired a 30% interest in a company called QMax Technology. That was the catalyst that pushed the price action upward. Bobo Beep says on YouTube, "What's up, Casey? What's up? What's up? What's up, man? What's up?" All right. Okay. So we're looking at ticker symbol NCRA. First thing we're going to do is we're going to visit the custom scanners from the private Banger Nation Discord. By the way, if you're not following us on the YouTube channel, go ahead and follow us at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. You're going to want to check us out on YouTube. Set the notifications on. Comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you got your notifications on because we got a ton of shows that we do Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My illustrious co-host, DVNS in the house with the Serengeti Specialist herself, the huntress of all things parabolic, the one, the only, DVM Moms. Yes, sir. Go ahead and find all the parabolic plays during the pre-market into the open. So go ahead and set your notifications on and follow us on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And then, of course, we have the Power Play show Monday through Friday where we combine stocks and getting dubs for the community in Fortnite. Yes, sir. At 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Getting ready for the Power Hour every single day with our familia. Yes, sir. The Banger Nation familia. Yes, sir. And then, of course, you also got the Saturday edition, weekend edition of Power Play, where we get our watch list ready for Monday. And that's on Saturday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So get your notifications on and follow us on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. Why am I talking lower as I'm wrapping it up? I don't know. It just sounds effective, bro. I don't know. Anyway, let's take a look at another stock, bro. Let's take a look at GSON. I think this is like a Hong Kong or a China stock. It has run in the past and it's crashed in the past. Oh, It happens to be a China stock. Oh, that seems to be the flavor of the jour. Actually, it's the flavor of the past several weeks, bro. Right?
Yeah, pretty
It's
much.
all been like these Chinese lower float stocks moving on light volume. You know what I mean? And not necessarily any news. Well, this particular stock has no news other than in 13 days we anticipate some earnings to come out on August 11th during market hours. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated and let's take a look at the stock. We can see that the stock is trending upward. It is friends with the trend. First thing that we notice is that the 9 EMA is relatively tightly stacked with the VWAP. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated so we can indicate where the volume weighted average is. The volume weighted average is at 28 cents, and it is holding support there. That's good. Could this be the makings of a double bottom bull pattern? Could that be? Could it be? Maybe. It needs volume to validate. And if I want to get a little, a little artistic over here, I could go ahead and put that line over there and say this could potentially be a pennant. However, we don't have the volume to validate that, and we have consolidation in the mid-range of the RSI. So we're going to need to see the RSI start to push to the upside for validation and volume to kick off the situation. But the VWAP is below the price action currently. The price action currently is just shy of 30 cents, and 31 cents will be resistance for G-Sun. And of course, we have information from the custom scanners in the private Discord showing us that it is an 8 million float stock on the higher side, but not too far from being a low floater. 128 million shares of volume. That's a lot of volume, and this is a 30-ish cent type of stock, so the 8 million float is not that bad when the price is that inexpensive. Think about it this way, folks. The less expensive the stock is, the more likely that more shares are going to be bought. You know what I mean? Doubles. You know what I'm saying? We got Bobo Beebson said in the house that said, "What's up, guys?" Hey, I read that already. Was there another? I thought there was another message in there. Wasn't there another message? Did I miss it? No. I could have sworn there was another message in there. No. I could have sworn there was another message in there, Doubles. I could have sworn. I don't know. I might be wrong. We got 151. Bacardi 151 viewers, bruh. We want 151 viewers here. Let's get to 200 and then 300. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, Doubles. I'm just saying, let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Oh, my goodness gracious. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on G-Sun. Like I said, the stock has the propensity to push pretty aggressively upward. Doesn't always hold up, but it has had the propensity of pushing up in the past. Let's take a look at ticker symbol SPRC. Now, this is an interesting stock. This is a stock that also has had the propensity of pushing up and then completely selling off rapidly, and we see examples of that all over this chart. I generally just try to stay away from the stock, quite frankly, because I don't like the price action, but look at all these sudden moves, right? This makes it very difficult to trade. However, in fairness, I have to say it is forming a cup and handle pattern. However, the price is just barely above the VWAP. It needs to stay above the VWAP and get more volume. RSI is drifting upward ever so slightly, and if we look at it on the custom scanners that we're sharing with the Discord, we can see that this is a low float stock, 565,000 shares. 565,000 shares. That's a micro mini float if I had ever seen one, but this stock has a history of being Flushosaurus rexus, so that kind of disturbing to me. I'm not going to lie to you. But it only has about 3 million in volume, right? So the volume is relatively low. Volume is relatively low, and it has a history of being a little Flushosaurus. And we don't like Flushosauruses, do we, Doubles? Nah. The company announced its Neurothera has complete internal validation of a proprietary quantum sampling workflow developed platform for clinical trial data analysis. Okay, so the news is there, but I don't know. It doesn't make me warm and fuzzy. I want to be warm and fuzzy. In fact, I want to be so warm. Doubles, I want to be so warm that I got to get myself my little thing over here. Where is it? I gotta get my fan right there, bro. I gotta get my fan. I want to be so warm and fuzzy because I gotta fan myself down because it's too hot in here. You know what I mean? There's a hot streak going on in Florida, bro. Florida's hot, bro. It's hot, bro. They got a heat advisory going on, bro. Did you know that?
Heat advisory.
They got a heat advisory. You got to have the old AC going on. Yes, sir. I got the block of ice and the fan blowing on it. Come on now. Let's go. Let's get it done.
It's 105 degrees.
How much is it?
Actually, it's 96, but it feels like 105.
It feels like 105. I told you, son. I told you it feels hot in here. Well, that may just be us, though. That may just be us, because we hot, bro. We hot. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Hot. Hot, I'll tell you. Anyway, let's go take a look at ticker symbol SGRP. New on the scanner. SGRP, and we're getting pretty close to the decision time for the FOMC doubles. Just so I need you to keep an eye on it so we could read it to the community, to the Banger Nation community. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you also subscribe to the X.com Twitter account at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And of course, make sure you're following us on Twitch, because we're going to be putting out more and more content. And we are in the process of revamping the Twitch channel to make it look even more schmixy than it already is. At CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. Ladies and gentlemen, if you also want to have access to the Discord community so that you can gain access to all the news and search features, all the scanners, all the educational content, and an incredible Banger Nation Discord community. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $9.99. Or if you'd like, you could sign up with the temporary promotion that we have for the quarterly package that bills every 3 months and get a nice hefty discount. That link is also in the description and in the pinned comment. But if you're going to do that one, do it soon, because that offer is going to be ending soon. And if you want to represent the Banger Nation, go to the Banger Nation store and get yourself some swag. You can get yourself a lid. You can get yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie, a mouse pad, maybe even a tumbler, or a cup and handle, as Doubles likes to call it, a cup and handle. Tassa on Twitch. Why do I call him Tassa? NASA. What's up, my brother NASA? What's going on Twitch? What's going on? I hope you're having a great day, brother. And I hope you're getting a lot of dubs in Fortnite, baby. I miss you, buddy. I know you've been busy. But it was so good to see you like 2 nights ago on the, I think it was on Breeze stream that I saw you. It was really good seeing you, buddy. Thank you so much for showing some support. Guys, follow my boy NASA, TTV NASA07 on Twitch. Great Fortnite gameplay from my friend. Yes, sir. All right, let's go take a look at ticker symbol SGRP. We can see that it's moving on relatively light volume. It's right over here. Look, it's right. Where was it, Doubles? Where did it go? Right over there. 27,000 shares, so not a heck of a lot of volume. It pushed up 84%. Too risky. I mean, it's trending, but I don't know. It needs volume. Vitamin V. Otherwise, like that, bro. Like that, bro. NASA on Twitch said, my day's going good. Did you see that Spider-Man is coming to Fortnite? I did, bro. And I know that the grappling gloves are going to be coming on. The Spider-Man grappling gloves are going to be coming back to the show. And I think they're going to, something tells me that they're going to do something with Battlewood. Remember what they did back in the day where they created a whole area that everybody thought was going to be Tilted Towers, but it turned out to be, what was it? Not Gotham City. What is the name of the city? The Daily Bugle was there. What was that city called?
New York City.
No. In Spider-Man, what's his? New York City? No,
yes.
bro.
I think I'm lying. It's true.
NASA says he wants to buy the skins so bad. I don't blame you, bro. There's a bunch of skins I want to buy. bro. But I got to tell you, one of the most funniest skins ever, in my humble opinion, NASA, is this one right here. Beach body. Beach body Batman with his little scarf around his neck, bro. I'm telling you, he looks like a college student without his uniform on, getting a college degree. He's got his cum laude degree, bro. His cum laude degree with a little thing around his neck right there. I'm just saying, NASA. Check it out. And you know what's a really good skin too? You know what's a really good skin? I love Poison Ivy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Poison Ivy is a badass Skin right there, bro. That is a badass skin. In fact, I think I might use this skin for the first game when we jump into Fortnite. Why not, I tell you? Why not, I tell you? All right, let's take a look at ticker symbol DFNS. DFNS. This is a multi-day runner, T3 defense, but you can see it formed a double top. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. A top over here, sell off, but now it's consolidating. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated one more time, and show the consolidation just below the VWAP. Up. I made a mistake. Let's try it again. Right there. Woo! Right there, and we can see that it's consolidating just below the volume weighted average. Graffiti pencil activated, so we can delineate where the volume weighted average is. The volume weighted average is currently at $35.07. Sensa. It's a little bit more expensive for me. I mean, it was cheaper when it first started out, so it's kind of an expensive stock, but it needs to curl and break through the volume weighted average of $35.07. And right now, what we're seeing is nothing going on the RSI, basically just consolidation. So we're going to be keeping an eye to see whether or not the RSI starts to push up and whether or not the volume starts to kick in on this particular ticker symbol DFNS as we get closer to the power hour at 3 p.m. We got 246 folks in the stream right now. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to 300 and then 400. NASA on Twitch said, but I don't have any V-Bucks to get it, sadly. I'll gift it to you, bro, when it comes on out. Just remind me. I'll gift it to you, my brother. Why not? Why not? That's what friends are for. Friends. How's the song go? Friends. That's what friends are for. I don't know. I can't sing anyway, but I'm pretty, though. I am pretty, Doubles. I'm just saying. I would say basically go. Just look, bro. Look at the moves. Look at the moves I got, bro. Watch, bro. Look at that. Look. I even Vogue. That's how schmecks I am. And it's all about the money, and bricks. Money. Banger Nation money. What? Just saying. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, Doubles. I think it's time to jam, bro. Time to get a Banger Nation victory royale for the community. Let's get it. Which stock do we want to keep an eye on, Doubles? I don't know. Let's keep an eye on, NCRA? Yeah, let's see. All right, maybe. I didn't talk about this one today, did I? I mean, you could potentially say it's got a pennant going on, right? Maybe, right? Maybe, but it's a sub VWAP type of condition. Needs to get above the volume weighted average. NCRA. I thought I did talk about it, but I guess I didn't draw anything, right? It needs to get above the volume weighted average of $3.08. Graffiti pencil activated. $3.08 is where the volume weighted average is, right over there, right there, Doubles, right there, and it needs to get above it. I tell you, Doubles. I tell you. So we'll keep an eye on NCRA Inc. Yo, NCRA, summertime. If you know, you know, Doubles. If you know, you know. But before we jump in, Doubles, how many more minutes? 7 minutes before? 7 minutes before the FOMC reports on the interest rates? Doubles? Keep an eye on it. Let me know when the report comes out so I could tell the Banger Nation what happened. All right, let's go get a victory royale for the community. Why is it not letting me in? Come on, I gotta switch modes, bro. There we go. Come on, let's go. Let's get a victory royale for the community, bro. Should we make it a bigger challenge, Doubles? Should we make it a bigger challenge that we gotta go for the mythical? The mythical Warforged AR? By the way, I heard that they nerfed the pistols, bro. The Ranger pistol, they nerfed it, and they also nerfed how many times you could find it. Yes, sir. They buffed the ARs a little bit. They buffed the ARs, the burst, and they buffed even the Warforged. But I still think the Warforged is kind of weak, except for that mythical one, bro. The mythical one. So this is going to be a battle royale between Poison Ivy and Harley Quinn. Yeah. Let's mark it, bro. I want me my Warforged mythical. I wants it and I needs it, Doubles. Woo! I like you and I want you. I do like it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Nah. Doubles in an expensive stock at $168, up 38%. Ticker symbol HURN, up on light volume 38%. HURN, expansive. Expansive, $168. I guess we should just talk about it, though, you know? We should talk about it. All right, let's get that dub for the community. Locked and loaded, Doubles. You ready, Doubles? You ready?
Oh, yeah.
You ready, Freddy? Let's go. Let's go. Let me get a little coffee in me to caffeinate me. Let's get that shit party. We're going for that dub for the community. Share it up. We're almost at 300, 273 folks in La Casa. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. Make sure you're also following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And, of course, you're going to want to follow the TikToks at DBLNICS, at DBLNICKS, and the screen name is CoachNickMoney. We got a ton of shorts on YouTube as well at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, inspirational stuff, funny stuff, Fortnite stuff, stock stuff. Go ahead and check the shorts out on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. Let's go, baby. Let's get this done, Doubles. Let's get it done, bro. Let's get it done, Doubles. Let's get it done, bro. Give me my pistola right there. Yes, sir. Let's cause some chaos. All right. All right. Ooh-wee. Nothing over here. Ooh, pistola. Ooh, gray. What up? What up with that gray pistola? What's going on, bro? What is that? Ooh, shut the gun. Take that, bro. Why not? Why not? AR. Come on, AR. Okay, I'll take that. Well, why not? AR. Okay, why not? Okay, let's do it. Okie dokie, smoky. A little metal. Why not? What do we got over here? I tell you. Hair fire. No hair fire? Okay, no hair fire. Okie dokie. Oh, ooh, looky here, bro. Ooh. Let's go. Alright, Doubles. So they nerfed the pistol, bro. Look at that. But we're going to get a victory for the community, Doubles, because that's what we got to do, bro. We're going to do it, bro. Oh, yeah, green. Green is good, bro. Yo, man. Come on, where are these enemies? Where you at? Come on, I want you and I need you.
No.
I like you and I want what he said, bro. What Double said. I like you and I want you. What is it?
I like you and I want you.
I like you and I want you.
We can do it the hard.
Now we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours. All right, Doubles. Let's do it the hard way. I want to do it the hard way. But I want that. I want to like.
No.
I want to defeat them, bro. I want to defeat.
Coach.
Anyway, I'm in a battle royale right now with this young lady, bro. We got somebody here, bro. Idiot. Dummy.
Remember, she's still right there.
I know. Bye, fool. Did I mention bye, fool? Did I mention bye, fool? Trying to mess with me? You mess with the best, bro. I gotta get a victory royale for the community. Huh. Can you imagine, bro? What nerve they had to try to attack the coach who's got a mission, a responsibility for the Bunga Nation, bro. I had a responsibility for the Bunga Nation, bro. Right, Doubles? Right? Nah, man, we can't have none of that. Now you back at the lobby, bro. Oh, you gonna start with me too, bro? All right, bad, bro. I got no problem with that. No problemo. You down the You down it, bro. Like the soap. You down it, bro. Bruh. Yo, these people are foolish, bro. I feel honored, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel honored. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. Right, doubles? What happened? No change on the Fed fund raise. Now we gotta wait for Walsh to have his speech in about a half hour. All right, we'll keep an eye to see if he's gonna be a falcon or if he's gonna be a dove. Some people say a Hulk, but I don't want to talk about the Hulk. I want to talk about the dove and the falcon, bro. That's how I roll, bro. That's how I roll, bro. I was just saying. Did you see how angry I got because of that guy trying to attack me, bro? Did you see that, bro? He made me angry, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. He made me so angry. I had to like eliminate him, bro. I had to do it, bro. I had to do it. I had to, bro. I had to. Woo! Woo! Doubles. Right?
Yeah.
Am I right, doubles? Am I right? Because if I'm right, I'm right, bro. You know what I mean? Wah, doubles. Wah. I want some more. Ooh, there's some more funny people over here, bro. There's more people over here, bro. More goofies than I buy, bro. Where they at, bro? Where's the beef, bro? Over here somewhere. Where they at, bro? Where are they at, though? Doubles, where are they at? Where are they at, bro? Where are they at? Alright, you gotta be over here, bro. He's right there, bro. He's right there, bro. Bada banger! Bada banger!
Bing bong.
Bing bong! Huh! Did you hear the clock? It rang, bro. It rang for you.
The whole clock was wrong.
I rang his bell. I wanna ring your bell, hell, ring your bell. Ooh, ooh. Ring your. Ooh, I gotta come here, bro. Did you see how much ammo there is over here, bro? Oh my gracious, bro. The ammo situation. Oh my gracious. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait, doubles. Right. Ooh, I needed that half pot too, bro. Cause there's evildoers nearby, bro. You know what I'm saying, doubles? Oh yeah. Victory Royale for the community, doubles. Doubles. AMIX. Moving. 52%. Low floater. Micro float. Whoop whoop. Micro float. Micro float. Whoop whoop. Micro float. Micro float. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Where are you? Where are you? Give me my thingamajig. Where is it? Where is it? In here? Oh, look, a rift, bro. Rift. A rift. A rift. Man, I wish I had one more slot, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what? Let's do that. Let's take the rift just in case, bro. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. I'm just thinking out loud, bro. I'm just saying out loud, bro. I love the rift, bro. The rift. The rift, bro. All right, doubles. Here we go. Here we go, doubles. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, bro. All right, doubles. All right. All right, you know what I'm gonna do over here, bro? I'm gonna go in the storm. I know you're gonna say it's the wrong move. I know it, doubles. But I want a little chuggy juggy, bro. I want me a little chuggy juggy, bro. And maybe a little pop rock. You know, I like them pop rocks. I don't think they got them, but I want some pop rock doubles. Chuggy juggy. Oh yeah, chuggy. Oh my. Oh yeah. And oh, they do have pop rocks, bro. They do. 1, 2. I'll take them, bro. Why not, bro? Why not, bro? Why not? I tell you, why not? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, doubles. Let's get the pop rocks, bro. Let's get the pop rocks right there. Yes, sir. You know what? I want the impulse too, bro. I think I want the impulse. Yes, I do. I do. All right, doubles. Let's go in, bro. Let's go in. We going in. We going in, doubles. We going in, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Doubles. Yeah. Right over here, bro. Get ourselves a little. I don't know, a little med kit to like cap off a little bit, maybe. What's going on over there? Ooh, med kit, right there, bro. Look, med kit, bro. Right there, the med kit, bro. Yes, sir. Alright. Pop it. Pop the med kit. Pop it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, look, you know, I don't even have to buy a med kit, bro. Look what we got right here, devils. Look. Look what we got here, bro. Look what we got here, bro. We got this thing right here, bro. Look. Opa. Hello. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Alright. How do we do, doubles? Anything over there? No. No. They're shooting over there, bro. I hear some gunfire. Look at that. There's lusciousness over there, bro. Right? Look at that. All that lusciousness. There's an enemy right there, bro. Look at the enemy right there, bro. Look at the enemy right there, bro. Ooh. Ooh. He shot me, bro. What's wrong with? Yeah, he shot me, bro. What's wrong with this guy? What's wrong with him, bro?
Tweaking.
Whoop-a! Hello. Madonna mia. Oh, baby. What's going on, fella? What's going on, fella? Come on now. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, he's so lucky. You're lucky. You're lucky. You son of a gun. You're lucky. You're lucky. Hello. Way-oh, hey-oh, way-oh. Way-oh, way-oh. Get some more of this stuff right here, bro. Get some of this goodness, some lusciousness. Go, 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 go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Whoop. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Hello, hello. Who's shooting the coach? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Get out of here. Get out of here, fella. What are you doing, bro? Wow, that was crazy, dude. You see that?
Yeah.
Little cray-cray going on over here, bro. That guy almost eliminated me, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. He almost eliminated me. Alright, there's 4 enemies. We gotta be very, very quiet. I'm locking in, trying to get the victory for the community.
The victory for the community.
Right? Right? Ooh, there's a love bubble over there, doubles. Where's Bobo Beeps when you need him? There's a love bubble right there, bro. A love. Everybody's in love, bro. Oh, there he goes. Look at this guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't got enough ammo. I don't have enough ammo. I need to mercantile somebody, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need to mercantile someone. Oh my. Oh my, doubles. Let's see if I can get some more ammo. Or not. Oh no, it's the battle bus, doubles. That's the battle bus, bro. Oh, the bus is right here, bro. The bus is gonna be right here, bro. The battle bus is gonna be right here, doubles. Oh my! What are we going to do, doubles? The bus is coming. First thing I'm gonna do is have some coffee, bro. Doubles, we're at 420 for the memes. Yes, sir. Now we gotta get ourselves to, I don't know, maybe like 500. Let's get that shit party going on. Alright, we still got time, doubles. We still got time, son. Where's the enemies? Where are they? Run! Run, evildoers, run! I wish I had more ammo, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wish I had more ammo. Is there an evildoer nearby? I don't know. I hear them shooting, bro. I hear them shooting, bro. Right, you. Somebody got eliminated. Somebody got eliminated up there, bro. They still fighting, bro. They still fighting, doubles. I hope there's no turrets over there, bro. We don't want no turrets, do we, doubles? Nah. No. 50 seconds, doubles. 50 seconds! The time is running, doubles. When should I look? When should I go for it, doubles? 20? 20? 22, doubles. 22 to be exact, bruh. We move at 22, bruh. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We got to do it, doubles. We got to do it. I don't see anybody on the bus, per se. I don't trust it at all, bro. We'll wait for 20. We'll wait for 20, doubles. That's what I'm thinking, doubles. That's what I'm saying. Ready? Now. Not yet. Not yet. Now! Is it? Oh! I got it, bro! I got the Battle Royale bus, bro! The Battle Royale bus, bro! Got it! Got it, bro! Got it! Got it for the Victory Royale! For the community! For the community! Got it, bro! Got the Victory Royale for the community! For the Banger Nation! For the Banger Nation! Victory Royale! But we can't do the loser thing because nobody lost, bro.
No, nobody lost.
I mean, all the other folks lost. And look, we got the Batman Sprite back to 5 again. Level 5. We just keep getting Sprat Dust left and right, doubles. I want to check out my Sprat Dust, doubles. I want to check it out, bro. I like my Sprat Dust. It's starting to accumulate, bro. I got 118,000 Sprat Dust. I'm Sprat Dust rich, bro. You know what I'm saying, doubles? I got Sprat Dust, and look, I got the little Batman Sprite, bro. Bro, they got like so much stuff on this Batman. Like they got the mask, they got the grimace, you know what I mean? Yeah. They got the utility belt. They even got like little hair on his belly, bro. How cute is that, bro? It's like a little Batman fella, you know? Batman, and then they got the gold one, bro. They got the gold one. That one's even badass right there, right? The badass one, yeah. And then they got the holophile one. The holophile, yes sir. Bobo Beeps on YouTube said Victor Romeo for the community. Sir. Shall we have a little celebration dance? I think we should, because our little gal over here, Poison Ivy, locked in the Victory Royale for the community. And we don't want to brag on nothing, do we, doubles? We don't want to really brag on nothing, but we're at almost 21% Victory Royale in the build. In the build for the community. Top 10%, 75.8%, top 25%, 82.9%. I'm just saying, doubles. I'm just saying. I mean, I don't want to say nothing, but we got to get them Victory Royales for the community. And if we go into zero builds, it's even better. 35.1% win ratio. I'm just saying, doubles. I'm just saying, because the Banger Nation deserves it. Yes, sir. All right, doubles.
Yes.
Did I say Yo, that guy almost shredded me, dude. Coming in, not the last dude, the dude before that, bro. Thank goodness I had myself a little chuggy juggy, bro. All right, let's take a look at some stocks, doubles. What do you think? Shall we? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Let's get a share party. Let's get to the next 500. We're halfway there. Halfway there. We're at 440. Let's get it to 500. We're looking at NCRA. It is in a bullpen and it needs to get over the volume weighted average of $3.08. If it doesn't, it could be stinky. But if it does, I would love it very much. RSI is neutral, needs to push on up. I'm going to stop singing because I'm really not good at it. No, I know. I better stick to my tap dancing. My dancing is my power, bro. That's like my secret weapon. Look, bro. Look at how well I dance. I can break dance, bro. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, bro. Tap dancing, bro. Let's go, baby. Woo! All right, that's enough. That's enough. Let's go and take a look at a couple of other stocks. Let's take a look at the expensive one, HURN. HURN. This ticker moved aggressively. Huron Consulting Group shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q2 financial results and raised its fiscal year 2026 adjusted earnings per share and fiscal year 2026 sales guidance estimate above estimates. That's what it did, right? So it moved quite aggressively. We can see it on the custom scanners right over here, 16 million float, only 861,000 shares, obviously, because the shares are about $170 a pop. It's currently up 39%. 39%. RSI is overcooked over here, so a reversal wouldn't be out of the question. But it's a heavy floated stock. It's expensive. Not my typical wheelhouse, but we had to mention it, right, Doubles? Because it's up 39%. Let's go to ticker symbol AGRZ. AGRZ. Let's take a look at it, okay? And we looked at it, it double topped, and it's been selling off ever since. This is a ticker that is a 13 million float stock, heavier floated than we'd like, but it's a 29-cent stock, and it had volume at 109 million. So again, we could forgive that, but you could see it double topped and sold off. There is no news on it. There is earnings in 13 days, but it is still quite bearish. If you take a look at it, it looks very, very bearish. We do not see any recovery yet from the volume candles. Again, there's still 45 minutes before the power hour actually takes into effect and volume comes back into the market. RSI has pushed down to the oversold area, and with that double top, you can see that the 9 EMA continues to push downward and away from the VWAP. That's not what we want to see. We want to see a curvature of that 9 EMA and the price action upward to challenge the volume weighted average at 48 cents. That's what we want to see. If we can see a break of the 48 cents, it becomes a little bit more schmexier to me, if you will, Doubles, if you will. Yes. All right, on the scanner, we see that NCRA has moved up somewhat, 115%. Let's go back to NCRA. NCRA. It is now challenging, Doubles. It is challenging the VWAP. It's been a choppy stock, but it is in a pennant formation, and it looks like it wants to break the VWAP. So if it breaks the VWAP, that can make it somewhat schmexy. RSI is starting to move upward. We will see what happens with it. We will keep an eye on it. It is the leading gainer. It is leading gainer right now, so we'll see what happens with it. It is a 1 million float stock. We see that in the custom scanners. 113 million volume, and yeah. So it's got a lot of volume, and it's currently trying to break the VWAP at the $3.08 mark. It is a Taiwanese stock that purchased into a company called QMax Technology. It took a 30% interest in the company. So we will see whether or not this breaks out. We're going to keep an eye on it. I thought it was going to be a much more aggressively moving stock today than it was, but let's see what happens. You know, maybe after the Federal Reserve Chairman speaks, Mr. Walsh. Is it Walsh? I can't pronounce his name, bro. Walsh, Mr. Walsh. When Mr. Walsh, after he speaks, maybe he'll be a dove. Maybe he'll be a dove. If he's a dove, that'd be kind of nice. Wouldn't it be nice if he was a dove, bro? I'm just saying. By the way, folks, if you do join the Banger Nation Discord, you can get yourself a nice little server tag, bro. A server tag. Let me show you what it looked like. Let me show you. It looks quite schmexy. The server tag looks schmexy, I tell you. Right here. Right there, you can represent the Banger Nation on Discord as well. Hold on, let me put it in there. Doubles. Look at how nice that thing looks right there. The server tag representing Banger Nation. Banger Nation, yes sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Baby.
Yes sir.
All right. Doubles, all right. Whoops. All right, anyway, let's go to the next ticker. Let's take a look at the next ticker. Let's take a look at ticker symbol DFNS. Let's take a look at DNFS. This is a multi-day runner. DNFS, multi-day runner. Did I type it in wrong? DFNS. Let's try it that way. Come on. I keep typing it wrong, Doubles. What the heck's going on here? Ooh, look at that. It broke out of the consolidation and it moved on up. Yes, sir. Broke the VWAP. Currently up 60%. We can see that it is a low float stock at 780,000 shares with 5 million in volume. Now the rotation. I'm sorry. What is? No. I take it back. 780,000 float 11 million volume, so the rotation is lovely on it, except it's a more expensive stock at $38, but the volume candles have started to move and the RSI has started to move, so those are some bullish signals. I would say that the next resistance area would probably be around $40, around $39 and $40 that it needs to break. So we'll see what happens. It's an expensive stock, not the type of stock that I personally would try to trade, but again, this is not stock or financial advice. This is a show. This is a show. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own due diligence, I say. Right, Doubles? What do you think, Doubles?
Yeah.
Do you agree? I can't believe there's a heat advisory, Doubles, you know? Yeah, it's like, bro, I walked outside and I felt like a piece of toast, bro.
Toast.
I felt like a piece of toast, bro.
Toasty.
I did, bro. I did, I tell you. I did. All right, listen, I want to get back to Remedy. Because that's my favorite skin, bro. That's my favorite skin, Doubles. Remedy is my favorite skin. Remedy. Because I am the Remedy. Yes, sir. All right, let's take a look at ticker symbol. Let's take a look at SPRC again. Let's take a look at SPRC. SPRC, again, I don't necessarily trust this stock. And like I said, Doubles, what did I say? What did I say? Look.
What did you say?
It runs up and it flushes, right? So now, look, let's clear it up a little bit. Let's clear it up, right? It had the cup and handle, it rushed up, and then it immediately reversed. And now, look at what you got. Graffiti pencil activated, a double top, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. It's trying to respect the VWAP, but is it a trap, Doubles? Is it a trap? Because I've been burned by this stock before. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Girl, I've been hurt. And I need another stock. Snow, bro. Bro, Snow, bro. You know who Snow is, bro.
Why?
You know Snow. Girl, I've been hurt. And I've been Girl, I've been hurt. Girl, I've been hurt. Na 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 na. What? Doubles? Come on, bro. Bro, it wasn't that serious, bro. Come on, bro.
He said, for the love of God.
Bro, come on, bro. It wasn't that bad, bro. Come on, bro. You like Snow too, bro.
Yes, I do. I just
Come on, bro. It was my rendition, bro. It was the idea that counted.
I'm trying to.
Bro, you're hurting me, son. You're always hurting your father. I don't get it. I don't know why you hurting, Papa. Come on now. Come on. I thought you loved me, son.
I do.
Come on, son.
I do.
You gotta let me have some fun, bro. Come on. Anyway, SPRC double topped. I don't trust it. Needs to stay above the VWAP. I don't trust the stock. I'm sorry. I gotta be honest with you. This stock, it gets me upsetty spaghetti. But you know, we'll keep an eye on the volume. We'll see whether or not the price can stay above the VWAP, above $7.54, which is the volume weighted average. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. It's one of those type of situations. Let's go back to NCRA. NCRA, the Taiwanese stock. Come on now. Refresh it. Let's refresh it. Up. Pennant. A pennant. Doubles. Pennant formation. Look, Doubles. Pennant formation. Whoop. Pennant formation. Whoop. Doubles. Pennant. Needs to stay above the VWAP. Needs to stay above $3.08. Let's see what happens with it. All right. Doubles. You know what I'm going to do now?
Right.
Time to get a victory royale for the community, Doubles. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and you set your notifications on at CoachNickMoney. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want to be equipped. I don't want nothing equipped. Why does it keep doing that, Doubles? I don't want no Sprite right now. Right now, I'm concerned about getting a victory royale. I can't be distracted by my cute little sprites. No, Doubles. No, I can't have that. You know what I mean, Doubles? Now, there we go. All right, ready? Victory royale for the community time. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and also following on X.com, aka Twitter, at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and of course, you're gonna want to follow us on Twitch. The Twitch channel is getting revamped, fellas. Putting some new, fresh content on the Twitch channel at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. A ton of great shorts on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. Great shorts on TikTok at DBL Nixon. I look pretty in my crown, bro, don't I? I look very schmexy in my crown, bro. I ain't bothering nobody either, you know. So they better leave me alone, because I can get vicious when it comes to getting victory royales for the community. You know that I'm like a little protective mama of her cubs, you know? Like that, bro. You know what I'm saying, Doubles? I'm like a protective mama of her cubs, you know? Don't mess with me. Huh, when it comes to the Banger Nation, I'm very protective of them, you know what I mean, bro? Go to get them victory royales for the community, bro. Get out of here, bum. Get out of here, bum. Oh, no, it's a gimp, bro. Look, it's a gimp, bro. I don't like the gimps. They're annoying, bro. They always like sweaty fellas, you know? Look, he's trying to build the Taj Mahal, bro. Yeah, bro. Don't land where I land. Gimp, don't do it, Gimp. Don't y'all do it, Gimp. I'll give you some sugar with that honey. Funny. You funny. Are you ready, Doubles? Time to get a victory royale for the Banger Nation community. Here we go, bro. Here we go, bro. I'm London, bro. I'm London. Oh, my. And there are folks here, Doubles. I'm not going to lie to you. There's some folks over here, Doubles. There are. Ooh-wee. I don't even know why I go into that room. There's never any weapons there. Right? Never, Doubles, you know? Okie dokie. Boom, boom, chakalaka. Boom, boom, baby. Boom, boom, baby. Boom, boom, chakalaka. Boom, boom, baby. Boom, boom, baby. How about some shield? That would be helpful. Yo, they're fighting already, bro. They fighting already, bro. This guy's fighting already, bro. I guess I gotta push, bro. Did he get it already? No. They did not. No, they was just fighting. Right there, see, look, Doubles. This guy's gotta be around, bro. Gots to be around, Doubles, I would say. Right? I'm gonna stick around right here, bro. Somebody has to. There he is, right there, bro. I see him right there, bro. Let him push a little bit closer. Nah, we ain't gonna wait. Nah. Ain't gonna have none of that, bro. We gonna push, bro. We gonna push hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, Doubles. Oh yeah. We pushing hard, bro. Woo, bro. Woo. Let's get that mini. Let's get it, bro. Mini. Put it right in there. Put it in my trope, bro. Put the mini in my trope, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Doubles. Oh yeah. Gotta get that mini in your throat, you know? You gotta do it, bro. You have to.
Throw a burger down the throat.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. Alright, I think we should probably do this right away. I'm feeling like I should just do this already, you know? Oh, there's an enemy right there, bro. Look. Look, there's an enemy right there, bro. Get out of here, bro. Give me your jabooties. Give them to me. Give me the jabooties. Give them to me. Give me your pistol. Give me everything. Everything! I'm just saying, bro. I don't want to hear no nonsense no more. Get out of here, bro. All right, let's do this. Ready? Hi, mama. How you doing? Uh-oh. No. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. I made a mistake. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this and this. And now that, bro. And now that, bro. Oh! Bada banger. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Woohoo! Baby. I gotta fix myself up, bro. I gotta do it, bro. I got to. Come on, drink that sucker. Drink it. Now. Oh my gracious. I gotta go, bro. I gotta go. I got my jabooties, bro. Ooh-wee, bro. Jabooties, I tell ya. Got my jabooties. I'm all set now, bro. Woohoo. What do you think, Doubles? How'd I do, Doubles? Get the real for the community, bro. Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh, the Djiboutis. Oh, Djibouti, 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 bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh, let the loyo. Alright, we're good. How'd I do? We got some gold in the house? I'm okay, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want some heals though. I do want some heals though. Ooh-wee, bro. Ooh-wee. Ooh, pop rocks, bro. We want the pop rocks, bro. I want them. I want my pop rocks, bro. What else? That's it. Pop rocks. That's it. That's it right now. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. That evildoer tried to hurt the doubles. He tried to hurt the coach. We couldn't have none of that, bro. We could not have any of that, bro. No, no. Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty. For the finger. For the... Ooh, Batmobile, bro. Batmobile, bro. No. Let's get it. Let's get it! We want the Batmobile, bro. We want it and we needs it, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got that, bro. Oh, no. Somebody over here, bro. Trying to mess with the coach, bro. Bye, fool. Get out of here, fool. Trying to mess with the coach. What you trying to do? What you trying to do, bro? Ooh, let me fly like an eagle, bro. Fly like an eagle, son. Fly! Like an eagle, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. We're gonna fly like an eagle. Yes, sir. It looks like we're going back home, bro. Look, bro. We're going back to La Casa. Look, bro. Back to La Casa, bro. Come on now. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at that. Look at that, doubles. Look, look. Looka. Doubles. Double X, bro. Oh yeah. We repositioning, bro. We repositioning ourselves for victory for the community, bro. Driving and staying alive. Ooh, look at me, doubles. Look at me. I'm flying, bro. Look. Yeah. I think I'm gonna stay right here, bro. How about that? We stay right here, bro. What do you think? Yeah, we stay right here, bro. We got some thirsty fellas over here, bro. You know? You feel me? Oh my, we got thirsty fellas over here, bro. Thirst. We got thirst, bro. We got thirst. All right, ladies and gentlemen, going for the second victory for the community. Doubles, DFNS moving. 55% low floater. Expansive doubles, expansive. And we are here looking to get the victory royale for the community. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Doubles, yes, sir. All right. I need ammo, bro. You know? I need ammo, doubles. I need ammo. I do. It's all right. We're going to hang out. We just got to murk one fella. Murk one fella and we'll be good, doubles, you know? Little mercantile, you know, doubles? What do you think?
Yeah.
Just murk a fella. Murk 'em. Gotta be murked. They gotta be murked. Get some gold and maybe get a little bit of a chugga jugga. Why not, doubles? Why not? You know? A chugga jugga?
Yeah.
Chugga jugga. I like mobility too, doubles. You know that? I like myself mobility. Alright, where are these guys, bro? Come on. Close the zone already. Close it. Come on. Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Any enemies nearby? I don't see nobody, doubles. I don't see no enemies, doubles. We got 26 minutes before the power hour, doubles. 26 minutes before the power hour. And HURN, the expensive stock, inches up ever so slightly, 40%. HURN, expensive stock, inches up Inches up 40%. We have zone doubles. We have zone doubles. We have zone doubles, bro. We do. I tell you, we do. Yes, sir. We got zone, bro. Perfect positioning. Perfect positioning for us to have. Okay. Meanwhile, we're waiting, and we're gonna be patient, doubles. We're gonna be patient. You know what I mean? We're gonna be patient. We are. Anybody around here that wants to play with the coach? We got 11 enemies, doubles. 11 enemies going for the second victory royale for the community. Is this going to be a real victory royale, or is it going to be a bus type of situation, the bus victory royale? Which one is it going to be, folks? Put it in the chat. What do you think, bus or real deal? We got over 620 folks in the stream right now. Let's get the share party going on. Let's get to 700, 800, 1,000. There goes an enemy right there, bro, in the Batmobile right there. See the Batmobile? They got a Batmobile right there, bro. Right there. They're out of my range, though. It's all right. If he comes closer, I'm going to have to fry him, I think. You know, Doubles? Fry that fella. Yes. And somebody is extracting over there to get people to start pushing them. You see how they do that, bro? And then they ambush them. There's a guy right there. So there's one guy over there. What about over here? Anybody over here? Behind me? I don't see nobody behind me. Nah. I see somebody building right there. Okay. We got enemies all over the place over here. A lot of people still in this zone, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, double. Yes, sir. They got the extraction going on right now. The extraction. I don't see anybody here. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. No. Ooh, somebody got eliminated. 9 enemies left. Let's reload. My booties are almost empty, bro. My booties are almost finished, bro. Drifting down, but safe extraction sites are friendly. So they got the friendly bubble. They got the love bubble. They got them love bubbles up, bro. Doubles. They got the love bubbles on, bro. They do, bro. They do, I tell you. The love bubbles, bro. Alright, I'm still in zone, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm still in zone, doubles. I am still in zone, dude. No bus, come on, let's make it a real battle royale. Let's make it the real deal. Let's make it the real deal. Come on. Let's have a real battle royale victory. No bus. Come on. No bus. Come on now. Can't see anything over here. Alright. They're shooting over there, bro. There goes the Batman bus mobile, the Batmobile. The Batmobile is coming over here. Oh no, that's just a car, bro. That ain't a Batmobile. That's just a car. Look right there. See, I would shoot him, but I only have 129 rounds, and I'm not going to be able to eliminate him, so I'm going to leave it alone. Man, I wish I had more ammo. I'd be more aggressive. Look, there's a guy right there. See him? Look right there. I can take this guy. I need this guy to come out again. Come on, fella, come on out. I don't want to move just yet, bro. You know, doubles, I don't want to move just yet, bro. No, naughty. Naughty. Where's this zone gonna be? Oh, it's gonna be in heat wave, bro. It's gonna be in heat wave, bro.
Just like the one we got outside.
I'm telling you, like the heat wave, bro. 4 enemies. This guy's right here. I didn't see him. Wait, is that him? That is him. That's him standing up right there, bro. Look at him. Oh man, he just moved. Go ahead, move. It's right there, bro. They're fighting each other. Got eliminated, bro. ammo, doubles? I gotta go. I don't have the farm mode. I don't have the farm mode, doubles. I don't have the farm mode. I don't have it. I don't have it, I tell you. Oh, dude, how did this... Look what happened, bro. The zone just flipped on me, bro. I gotta put this ammo, bro. I need ammo, bro. Alright, never mind. There's the Batman, Batmobile. Get in the Batmobile, let's go. Bada bang up! Bada bang up!
Bing bong.
Bang bang. Oh my God, doubles. Oh! And it was the GIMP, bro.
Not the GIMP.
No! The GIMP won the match? No! No, doubles. No. Oh! And I even saw him in the lobby, bro. The GIMP's always evil. They're always evil.
They are evil.
Look, he made me do the dirty work, bro. He made me eliminate the other fella, bro. Come on now. Let's see what this evildoer was doing, bro. NCRA moving on up, breaking the resistance area. We got 18 minutes before power hour. We're watching NCRA breaking the resistance area of $3.08. $3.08. It's breaking out of the pennant formation. NCRA moving. NCRA moving. Doubles. It's moving. It is currently up. It hit a high of $3.20. Huh. Now it pulled back. It's got to get above the VWAPR. NASA said, hey, coach, are you planning on buying the new Spider-Man skin coming out? I am. I like Spider-Man a lot. I do want to get the Spider-Man. And you know what we should do? We should all get Spider-Man skins. I'll gift it to you. And we get ourselves a team and we'll play a little bit of the scrims together and get another bunch of victories. I like doing that a lot. I really do. I hope you're into it. Let me know, NASA, because I'm down, brother. Let's go and get them skins and represent. Let's do it. Let's represent the squadron, the Spider-Man squadron. I tell you. But I got to tell you, doubles. I got to tell you. You know, I gotta be honest with you, doubles. I gotta be honest with you. That GIMP, bro. I hate that skin, bro. I hate that skin because it's always gotta be some sweat, either a sweaty fella or a trickerish fella. Trickerish, is that a word, doubles?
I guess.
A tricky fella, tricky Ricky. I tell you, tricky Ricky fella. You know, let's take a look at the replay. Where was that guy at while I was wiping out the daggang duck, bro? Wiped out the daggang duck, bro. That duck was annoying, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. See, I didn't have enough ammo because I could have eliminated that duck a long time ago, and then things would have been better, and I could have focused on the GIMP. You know, doubles? I could have focused on the GIMP, bro. Come on, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to support the Banger Nation, consider getting yourself some swag, some Banger Nation swag. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment that tells you, yes, sir, get yourself a lid, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt. Go ahead, I tell you. Doubles. All right, let's see where this evildoer was, bro. There's the duck. This duck was annoying, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The duck was annoying, bro. Really, for real, bro. Look, very annoying duck. Where's the other guy? Look, X-Lil, whatever the heck his name is. That was the other evildoer, right? Look at him hiding, bro. Look, bro. Look, bro. Come on, he was hiding all along, bro. Look at him. Look at him hiding, bro. Yeah, All you're doing is hiding. Look at you. Look at you hiding, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Look at you. You didn't push me. You're still hiding. You're still hiding. Look at you. Look at you. And of course you got a half part. Of course you did. Of course you did, bro. Of course you did. Look at him. Look at him, Doubles. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. And he's shooting at the coach, bro. Look at, oh my God, he hit me hard too. Look at that. It hurt my heart when he did that, bro. Slow this guy down. Look at this evildoer. You evil. You are evil. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? My goodness. And you know what it is, Doubles? My booty stopped working, bro. My booty stopped working right then and there. I was trying to thrust with my booty, and my booty stopped working. I ran out of juice in my booty, bro. Yeah, my slider booties, they stopped working, Doubles. That's what I'm talking about, my booties. What did you think I was talking about, son? Come on now. Oh, look at him. He took the crown too, bro. Look at him. He took the crown, bro. Come on, bro. At least he didn't dance on me, though, right? At least he didn't dance on me. Yeah, he didn't dance on me, so that's all right. Yeah, let's go, man. Let's do it, bro. You got it. Let's go on Friday. Let me know when it comes out, and I'll get it for you. Let's get it. Let's get it now, and then we'll get dubs with the boys. Run the squads. Let's get that scrim going on. Let's get it. Nice, sir. Let's get it. Let me know. Let me know. Remind me on Friday, and we'll do it. Yes, sir. We all get the Spider-Man skin. I'll get it for you. I'll get it for myself, and we'll get ourselves some Spider-Man skins. Yes, sir. Doubles. Yes, sir. Maybe I'll even stream it if you boys are into it. Why not? We could stream it, right? We could do a little stream gameplay after hours, right? A little. We haven't had a Fortnite after the bell show in a while. Doubles, straight up Fortnite. We haven't done that in a while. You know, we could do that on Friday. That would be good, right? Yes, sir. NASA, yeah, let's set it up, NASA. Let's do it. That would be fun, right? I'm going to stream it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Get the team together for Friday. Yep. Is Hoopsy going to be doing the customs, bro? Let me know. That would be awesome. It's probably going to be reload. I don't mind. I don't care if it's reload. I don't mind at all. Let's go. Let's get the squad together. We'll all get ourselves some Spider-Man uniforms. I'll get you a Spider-Man uniform. I'll get me a Spider-Man uniform. We'll get the slingers. Right, we'll be slinging with the spider webs, you know. Gotta do it. I gotta hand it to the skimp though. He did not dance, you know. And it was a nice slide shot. It was, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I gotta tell the truth. It was a nice slide shot, and he played it the right way. I don't know, man. It was like circumstance. I had to eliminate the duck, bro. He was in that bush, bro. He was in that bush. If I ran by that bush, he would have bushwhacked me. He would have bushwhacked me, son. He would have bushwhacked me, son. What?
Scroll down.
What? Doubles, what?
Scrolling, man.
Oh, look, bro. Spider-Man. Come on, NASA. We're going to be the Spider-Man. You Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Look, NASA. We Spider-Man. Look at us. We Spider-Man. Come on now. NASA, let's do it, baby. Let's go, baby. It doesn't matter. We could just run regular Fortnite. It don't matter. If there's no customs, it don't matter. We'll run regular Fortnite. Let's go. We'll be the Spider-Man crew. Let's go, baby. Everybody's a Spider-Man. We could probably maybe get Hover and Snow to play on Friday if they're down. Yeah, let's go, bro. The Spider-Man crew. Let's get it, man. I love Hover and Snow. Let's do it, NASA. Let's do it, baby. Let's get it done, bro. You know, I'm not even that upset with this guy winning. He wasn't nasty about it. You know what I'm saying, Doubles?
Hey, Bobo, what you mean by that?
What Bobo said, will you be banging and slinging? Yes, sir. Banger Nation. We're going to be slinging some webs and banging some players, banging them up. Doubles, will you stop?
What you mean by that?
Will you stop? Get your mind out of the gutter. We're talking about banging the guns, bro, and getting bangers like 100% plus runners in the stock market. Doubles. Every time you got your mind in the sewer, what's going on, bro? I don't understand it, bro. I don't understand it. NASA said the new Spider-Man skin coming to Fortnite is my favorite Spider-Man actor. Tom Holland is my first favorite actor. Let's go, bro. Isn't it true that Tom Holland is actually British?
Yes, he is.
And he uses the American accent, but he's British, right?
Yeah, he actually says
And
he says he wants to play more British characters.
He said he wants to play more British characters.
He
How funny would it be if there was a British Spider-Man, bro?
That would be
That'd be pretty dope, bro.
I mean, there is technically Tom Holland, yeah.
Well, yeah, but he uses the American accent though, doesn't he?
Yes,
Yeah, he does, man.
He plays his American.
He's very talented, bro. NASA, Tom Holland, very, very talented.
Yeah, it's very talented.
You know, I got to be honest with you. I'm a little upsetty spaghetti in a way that we lost that match.
I'm kind of glad that we get John Bernthal in that movie.
But can I say something, Doubles? I'm a little upsetty spaghetti that we lost that match, bro. A little bit, but not too much because we did get a victory royale earlier. So I'm just going to keep on moving, keep on trucking, keep on rocking, keep on rolling. We're 10 minutes away from power hour. We are. But he says, what I do? NASA also said, what did he say? He said, also, I appreciate you for going to buy me this skin on Friday so we can run. Yeah, brother, why not? That's what teammates are for. Look at that, bro. Look, the webs, bro. Web slinger, bro. Look, Spider-Man.
Play the gift.
Oh, it's a gift, bro? Oh, it's a gift, bro. Hold on. Look, oh, yeah. Is that from the movie that's coming out right now?
He basically kicked Punisher.
Is that the movie that's coming out now?
Yeah, that's the movie.
Yo, I want to see that, bro. Look at that, Doubles. Look at that, bro. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It look good, bro. It look good, I tell you.
Yeah, it's coming out on June 30th.
It's coming out tomorrow, NASA said. That's the goated Spider-Man. Let's go. And the movie's coming out tomorrow. We should go to the movies, bro. I haven't been to the movies in a hot minute.
Yeah.
Get a box of popcorn, carton of popcorn with hot smothering butter all over it. You know, a little bit of salt.
That would be nice.
And a nice little pop to wash it down with.
Oh yeah.
And watch Spider-Man. We should do it.
Man.
I think we should take a trip and do it, bro. You know, especially since it's hot, because you'll be in the air-conditioned movie theater. You know, I think it'd be a good idea. I think it would be. I might see it Friday night, but I'll probably play squads with the skin with you guys in the morning. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get it done. All right, let's take a look at some stocks, Doubles. DFNS is moving. So NCRA is trying to break out, but it's having a problem with the volume weighted average at $3.08. Currently, it's at 305. It needs to start to curl upward. We need to see the RSI start to push up and the volume candles start to push up. All right, I'll be back. You got it, my brother NASA. You got it, bro. Let's go. Spider-Man crew is operational. Is this another gift you posted, Doubles?
Yeah.
Is that the Punisher, bro?
Yes, that's who he's going to be.
Is he going to be in the show with Spider-Man?
Yes, he is.
Are they going to be like a tag team, bro?
Sort of, yes. Well, they're starting off on not very friendly terms, and then like they kind of start working together.
All right. Look at them. They're arguing, bro.
Of course.
They're arguing. They're acting like they married to each other, bro. They're arguing, bro.
Well, here's the thing, right? Punisher takes people out. He unalives them. Spider-Man does not do that.
So they're debating and arguing that.
Yeah, it's similar to the Punisher and Daredevil.
I gotcha.
Daredevil doesn't unalive
I gotcha. NASA said it's like a big brother, little brother situation.
Yeah.
So you saw some of the previews, NASA? Did you see some of the previews?
I love it.
Did you see some of the previews? It sounds like you might have seen some previews, bro.
Ish.
Yes, sir. Yep, he saw the previews. That's what he said. Yep. Yo, you tweaked my interest, bro. I gotta check it out. Gotta check it out. Let's go take a look at ticker symbol DFNS, Doubles. DFNS, expensive stock. Moving. Look at that. Whoa, $56. 130%. It's expensive, bro. You know, not my wheelhouse, but it's up a lot. And we could see in the custom scanners that it is a low floater at 780,000 shares, 14 million volume, 14 million volume. You got a massive amount of rotation here. 15x rotation of volume to float. Let's go, baby. Let's go. DFNS up 123% right now. NASA said, oh, did you know the Spider-Man bundle is also going to include Punisher in it on Fortnite? Really? Doubles, you know you like the Punisher. You love the Punisher. You always talk about Punisher.
Yes, he's the best superhero.
You always talk about the Punisher, Doubles. I always hear you talking about it. I'm excited, bro. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, I tell you. Let's get it done, bro. Huh? Let's go, baby. Let's get it done. Yeah. Yeah, Doubles. Yeah. Did I say yeah, Doubles? Yeah. Woo-wee. NASA said he never watched Punisher, but I have watched Daredevil and Spider-Man a lot.
Oh yeah.
I've watched the Punisher. It's pretty darn good. It's pretty good. It's I would say it's darker, right? Doubles a little bit darker.
And I love it
Yeah, a little bit darker, but I watched it. All right, quick thing that I want to talk about. All right, get it serious for a second. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99. for the Banger Nation Discord community, and it is full access. You come inside and you will see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum, and you'll get the next day early watch list that almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up running parabolic. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, regular hour scanners, and after-hour scanners with the float volume catalyst context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure, and if that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment, and when you come in, let us know you saw it on the stream, because we love hearing that. Also, we have a limited time offer if you want to get a nice discount. If you want to get a nice discount on joining the Banger Nation Discord community, we have a quarterly package that bills every 3 months, and you get a nice big discount on it. The link is also in the description and in the pinned comment for that offer, if that works best for you. So go ahead and take advantage of it, because that's a limited time offer, and it will be expiring relatively soon. And last but not least, if you want to represent the Banger Nation, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment for the merch store, for the Banger Nation merch store. Go visit Stewie Stickman and Goldie Brickstorm in the store and get yourself a lid, get yourself a t-shirt, get yourself a hoodie, get yourself a mug, get yourself a tumbler, get yourself a sticker, get yourself something that you like. It's all in the merch store. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's take a look at some other stocks. We're looking at DFNS moving up 136%. It's an expensive stock. Let's jump to GSUN. Let's take a look at GSUN. We have 746 folks in La Casa. Let's get it to 800,000. And we thought that there was going to be a double bottom and a breakout, and we did get a double bottom and a breakout. And right now, if we get the Graph-80 pencil activated, we have a position over here of a potential pennant. Can it continue to break out of this potential pennant? Could it be breaking out of a potential pennant? Possibly. My concerns are that we do have a situation where the 9 EMA is starting to separate quite a bit from the VWAP, but we look like we have a situation where the RSI is trying to push upward, and we are 2 minutes away from power hour. So if we see volume start to kick in, maybe it'll push up. This is a China stock. We can go to the custom scanners from the private Discord. We see it's an 8 million float stock, only 33 cents. It's cheap, 158 million shares of stock. It's got earnings in 13 days, but other than that, there is no news. But you know what? A lot of these Chinese low floaters have been moving on light news. This is not necessarily a low floater, but it is a relatively low float in the light of the price. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on it. We will keep an eye on it. I tell ya, doubles. I tell ya. NASA on Twitch said I might watch it. I'll probably be interested in it. I think you should watch it, man. The Punisher is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Right, doubles?
Yeah.
I like it a lot. I really like it a lot. The Punisher's incredible. I like all of that superhero stuff, doubles. I'll be honest with you. I do, you know? Batman. I love Batman, bro. Batman. In fact, I want to put the Batman outfit on, bro. I'm going to put Batman on, bro. Batman. Put him on. But I want to be a little traditional this time. This Batman, this is what he looked like when he ain't at the beach, bro. When he ain't at the beach, look at him. Look at him. He's got the Batman suit and the utility belt. I'm just saying, utility belt.
Well, you gotta get the cape, man. There's no cape on it. It looks weird.
Bro, it don't matter. It's Batman, bro.
No,
it's Batman. He's getting ready to go to the beach. He took the cape. He took the cape off. He's going to the beach, bro. He's going to the beach, bro.
Don't make it weird. Put the cape
Bro, I'm
on.
making it weird. I'm making it weird, bro.
Give him the
I'm
cape.
making it weird, bro. I'm
Give
going
him the
there.
cape.
I'm going there, bro. You want the cape? Fine. Here's the cape.
It's the back bling, Coach.
I don't want to put a bling on it.
Well, put the back bling
Look,
on.
I want to look like that.
Give
Look at that. Look at that. He looked like a robot, bro. He looked like a RoboCop, bro. Come on now. He looked like a RoboCop, bro. No cape. No cape. No. I don't want it.
Give him the cape.
I don't want to. Leave me alone. Stop bullying me. He's getting ready to go to the beach, bro. He's getting ready to go to the beach, bro. Look, bro. He's going to the beach, bro. He's gonna go hang out with the girls, bro. He's gonna chill with the girls, bro. He's chilling with the girls, like, dude, bro. He's doing like Captain Kirk. He's gonna hang out with the green woman. The green woman.
If I didn't see the cape, I'd be mad.
Oh, we got a repost of the stream by Madison. Thank you on X.com. Reposted the stream. Thank you. Much love, Ed Madison 1444 on X.com. Thank you for the repost. Appreciate it very kindly. Woo! Let's talk about some Ed Madison money. Money. Make that money. Make them bricks, Madison. Come on now. Make them bricks. Back to Batman, bro. Back to Batman. We gotta go back to Batman. Back to Batman. He's at the beach, bro. He's hanging out with Poison Ivy, bro. Poison Ivy, bro. Look at him. He's chilling. He got his beach party going on, bro. Look at him. But he's keeping his options open, bro. He's keeping his options open. You know that, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. He's chilling. He's chilling with Catwoman too, bro. Look at her. Look, she got a cat bathing suit on, but cats don't like water, do they? They don't like the water.
Ironically, I don't think she minds.
No, Batman keeping his options open, and you know what? He's been Batman's been, I don't know, how should I say? Batman's been nipping at the bottle a little bit, bro. A little bit. Yeah. True story. Been nipping at the bottle, bro. Yeah. You know why? You know how I know? I'll tell you how I know. Because he's been hanging out with Cray right here, bro. He hanging out with Cray right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at her. She Cray, bro. Harley Quinn, bro. Cray. Yeah, but she's a spicy tomato, I'll tell you. A spicy tomato. My favorite Fortnite skin. Oh wow. Let me take a look at the locker, bro. I do have favorite skins. I do. I don't necessarily wear them, but I do have them. Hold on, I'll tell you. I love this one. I love the squid. I think he's hysterical. I love the squid. I love Snoop Dogg. But I don't wear these skins because they stand out too much. But I love the skins. I love them. Also, hold on. Please hold. Oh, this guy. I love KB Lame. I love this guy. He's so funny. He's so funny. So that's another favorite skin. Hold on. Please hold.
I played through the James Bond video game. He made a cameo in that.
Did he really? And then we go Spider-Man. And then Spider-Man without the mask on. And then if I want to be silly, I could be Fabio Sparkle Man. Yes. Yeah, if I want to be funny and silly.
I was like, you better.
And then of course, because we're involved in stocks, I also like Diamond Hands. I also like them. Yes, sir. Yep. NASA said that's cool. You got the old Spider. Yes, sir. Got the old Spider-Man. Yeah.
I like the Iron Man.
And then of course, how about the Banana Man right there?
Coach, you gotta
I got Iron Man too. I don't like the Iron Man skin though.
You gotta put the armor on.
I don't like it.
I
don't like
Put
it.
it on him.
He's bullying me.
Yes.
How do I do it, bro?
Okay, well, first things first, you gotta whichever one you want. All right.
This one.
Go to the home screen.
Right there.
Go to the home screen.
Stop bullying me.
Oh.
Stop bullying me.
Now
what do I do?
Go to the play screen.
Edit, right? No, stop. You're upsetting me.
I'm gonna bully you. You keep it up.
What do I do now?
Emote.
Emote?
Yes, emote.
Money.
Other emote. Another emote there.
What other emote?
The one that allows you to do the built-ins. Click built-ins.
Where?
Built-ins.
Where?
At the top. Up there.
Where, bro?
Up there.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, look.
Yes.
Oh!
Finally.
Actually, you know what? This is not a bad skin, Doubles, actually. You know that? You know, it reminds me of one of my favorite seasons where they had, what was that? Krusty Cliffs? What was that place called?
I don't remember.
The Cliff, NASA, what was that POI just north of where Tony Stark's building was? Krusty Cliffs? No, not Krusty Cliffs. What was it called, bro? Look it up, Doubles. Look it up.
Cliffs.
Not Krusty, something Cliffs. Season 2, bro. Or season 3, no, chapter 3, I think it was. Chapter 3, Fortnite, Cliffs. Something Cliffs. Come on. Which one was it? Which one? Which one was it?
Cashmere Cliffs?
Craggy Cliffs, bro.
Craggy Cliffs.
Bring the picture of Craggy Cliffs. That was one of my favorite seasons, bro. We used to go to Craggy Cliffs and then rotate into Tony Stark's complex, bro. Yeah. Craggy! NASA said it's called Craggy. Put a picture of it, Doubles. Put a picture of it. Quick. We're 5 minutes into Power Hour. 5 minutes into Power Hour. Craggy Cliffs, bro. Throwback, bro. It brings such happiness to me, bro. It brings such happiness to me that it makes me want to dance, yeah. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. I want you to be successful, healthy, wealthy, and wise, in love, and love others. Show inspiration to others. It makes you feel good. It makes others feel good. And it is an incredible feeling. And why not? Ladies and gentlemen, I call the Banger Nation Indelibles because I want y'all to leave your mark and make sure that your mark is unerasable, a.k.a. Indelibles. Doubles. You didn't say indelibles. Indelibles. You guys are absolutely amazing. Make a ton of money. We'll be back at it tomorrow morning at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Microcap Morning Show with my illustrious co-host, the one and only DBL Nix in the house. Much love, gang, and we'll see you soon.